My name is Mike Elans, the PR Programs Lead at DevCon Philippines. And here we have our Executive Director, Mr. Dom De Leon.
Good evening, everyone. We'll start full dinner soon. We'll just share what's next for the partnership with DevCon Philippines. Why are you here and why did we gather today? Aside from enjoy a good dinner. Okay, so Mike, how was the CodeCamp pilot today with our partners from Letran?
Bongga. Bongga. I mean, grabe. We had a lot of students from Colegio de San Juan de Letran who went and learned about SUI and blockchain, no? And we would like to thank the OIC of the College of Engineering and Information Technology, si Ms. Tina de los Santos. Thank you so much for the support. No? And, grabe itong, alam nyo, they built their smart contract application on blockchain. Di ba, mas estudyante pa yan, but they can develop applications like this.
Okay, so next, why are we doing this beyond CodeCamp? So SUI is known for the platform Move, but why is it partnering with DevCon Kids, with She's DevCon and DevCon Philippines? And what's next after this event in Intramuros? We're happy to share that as of today, the event you're attending today is actually part of multiple events starting nationwide. We started in December with DevCon Kids as a warm-up, as in the partnership with She's DevCon and DevCon Kids with SUI. Today, we have Davao happening today. We have Manila with the CodeCamps this morning. Pampanga in Central Luzon. And next will be Iloilo and Bukidnon. So She's DevCon is our tribute to the amazing women in tech driving the future. Within DevCon, we're majority board, women-led. Our volunteers, our president in Manila, and more. So we're really proud, and again, happy International Women's Month. And thank you, SUI, ABA, and the Board of Investments for supporting this initiative. So this is just part of the nationwide celebration kick-started by the partnership with SUI. Okay, what's next? Mike, where are we going next?
After Manila, we will go to Tacloban. Then we have Iloilo, Bukidnon, and Angeles, Pampanga. So hindi lang dito sa Manila ang matuturuan natin ng blockchain, no? We will go to different parts in the Philippines to share this wonderful opportunity for the students to learn about Web3 and these modern technologies.
Okay, Mike. So we have a lot of CodeCamps today. What is proof of work in our CodeCamps? Why does proof of work matter to us as a portfolio when we can just do events and summits? Why are we investing time to our underserved schools to do hands-on proof of work?
Of course, that's the proof, or should I say, that's the capacity for everyone that they had developed these types of applications. Alam nyo, many people wanted to learn these new technologies like blockchain. But here, we wanted to give them a hands-on experience on how they can build applications using these modern technologies.
So that's a teaser of what we've been doing with SUI, where we're going with She's DevCon after DevCon Kids, the nationwide developer events that you will see nationwide, and we're happy to support the underserved communities nationwide, from kids to schools to She's DevCon and our developer community outside NCR. So build beyond for us means building beyond NCR, beyond the walls, literal walls of Intramuros. It's building beyond stereotypes. It's building beyond the traditional and the hype of technology. And building beyond to us means building what matters. So thank you. We'll invite our partners, SUI, Ms. Pam, to join us for a photo ops, and we'll formally kick off our delicious dinner today. So again, thank you for having us. Please to stay with us for more Q&A with our partners, and yeah, let's invite our partners for SUI and DevCon Kids to join us on stage for a